Just off State Road 55 is the very small town of Markham, Virginia, established back in 1818. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, like I said, I'm in the very small town of Markham, Virginia, and before the train comes here in about 15 minutes, we're just going to take a look around. Just up that road is a private road called Rail Stop Road, and Chateau O'Brien Winery and Vineyards are up that way, right next to this old house. And there are residents living in there. Along with all of these, right next to the railroad tracks. Great spot if you're a rail fan. Well, being its proximity towards the railroad tracks here, this looks like it might have been an old train station. That was a good little mixed train there. I don't know if you heard, but he gave me just a small little toot there on the horn there. The building behind me says Heartland Orchards. I don't know if that's a farmer's market during the spring and summer. I'll have to come back by here and check that out. So, but that's going to do it here from Markham, Virginia. And on that note, traveler saying, see you by the rails. Well, a little bonus action here. I figured I'm ahead of the train on my way back home, so I thought I'd stop at one of my favorite spots at this old warehouse and probably grain mill. And I hear the train coming.